Okay, so it's raining over here. Here. If you don't see the rain, I'll even show you on the steps over here. But stupid handle. But yeah, it's raining here. Over here on this side. You can even see it's raining over here. But oh, hi Luna. It's not raining over here. What? And no water droplets on the steps. Luna, move it.
I don't think you can get that door open. Dwayne broke it.
Huh?
Dwayne broke it.
Why? Nope. And then,
Hey,
yeah, it's not raining here.
where's my dad? There were warning shots above your head.
No.
It's not raining
Looking you.
on this side. But it's raining on that side? How's that supposed to work? It's cool though. It's like super freaking cool. Oh yeah, there's pictures that my mama drew.
Food and water.
Well, peace, bye.